wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best plasma cutters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Lotos LT3500 is designed for the relatively straightforward task of breaking down scrap. Weighing in at only 18 pounds, it's one of the easiest to transport to and from the job site, and at just a couple $100, it fits into any budget. It comes with quick connect compressor joints, however it won't cut rusty or painted metal, and its non-arcing tip requires contact. At number 9, the entry-level Ramsong Cut DX50 is a particularly simple option that's great for beginners thanks to its shallow learning curve and forgiving drag tips. It operates in the 110 to 220 volt range at 50 or 60 Hz, great for everything from tin to inch-thick steel. It includes amperage and pressure gauges, but it's less accurate than name-brand units, and it's not for heavy professional use. Coming in at number 8 on our list. Get your production up and running using this portable CNC machine, a specialized industrial appliance designed specifically for high-accuracy, computer-controlled metal cutting with a comprehensive onboard digital display panel. It works with a variety of gases and offers a total range of over 5 feet by 8 feet. However, it doesn't include a main inverter base. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for plasma cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the primeweld CT520D is a very affordable 3-in-1 unit, designed to complete most home users' DIY tasks with great efficiency. It changes easily between cutting and welding, enabling simple stick use for beginners as well as advanced TIG-style operation. It offers a 50% duty cycle in all modes, and an embedded 120 volt to 240 volt switch, but it doesn't use contactless arcing. Moving up our list to number 6. Artists and large-scale craftsmen may find the everlast powerplasma 50S especially useful thanks to an integrated CNC port that allows nearly plug-and-play use with a wide variety of high-precision computer-controlled cutting machines. It features a post-flow timer that extends the consumables and the newly upgraded IPT60 torch. You can use it with portable or stationary rigs. Halfway up our list at number 5. Hypertherm's powermax 30XP boasts a wide variety of helpful features that make it well worth the relatively high price tag. It includes the adapters you'll need to use it with any voltage, and the internal wiring automatically adjusts accordingly. It comes with a high-impact polymer case and high-precision nozzles. This one's good for hobby or light commercial use. At number 4, the Hypertherm PowerMax 65 comes from an employee-owned company with a reputation for quality welding and cutting tools. It costs quite a bit more than the competition, but you can rest assured that it's a great investment for the future of your shop. It boasts Smart Sense Auto PSI adjustment and works best with 3-phase power. However, the plug needs wiring before initial use. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Lotos LTP5000D is one of the best entry-level options for home metalworkers and DIY artists. Despite its low cost, it's more than capable in the workshop, thanks to high-quality features like a continuous arc and a maximum clean cut of ½ an inch. This one's dual voltage and dual frequency, and relatively lightweight at 26 pounds. It's great for carving sheet metal. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for plasma cutters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the AHP alphacut offers top-of-the-line performance at a mid-range price, and while it lacks the bells and whistles of some fancier choices, it's a well-made appliance that won't let you down, and it switches easily from 110 to 220 volts for heavier applications. It features an above-average 50% duty cycle, a blowback-style start mechanism, and a touchless pilot arc operation. And taking the top spot on our list, the powerful Hobart airforce 40i is suitable for nearly any home or professional need. It features an effective auto-refire technology that lets you keep cutting even through minor interruptions in the connection due to paint or rust. It comes with an XT40R model torch and uses compressed shop air. It's great for light or heavy use. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for plasma cutters, or simply click beneath this video.